All right, let's get started in Quizizz. So the nice thing is that you can create your own quiz, or what's super nice is that you can use quizzes from other people. You can click on Find a Quiz up here. You can search in a topic. Let's search geometry. And you will find a ton of results from all teachers. You can sort them, most relevant, recent, whatever. And you can see, as I'm scrolling through them, notice off to the right that this is changing. So I can preview. So let's say I like the way this one looks, and I can see there's 10 questions. I can see what the questions are. I can look and see what pictures they have added. And that is super important. Before you assign any of these quizzes from somebody else, make sure that everything is appropriate, that the answers are correct, and that there are no inappropriate pictures, because I have seen on social media reports of teachers just using quizzes made by somebody else and they didn't look at it first, and there were some bad things in it and they got in trouble. But anyway, and you can play it ahead of time. So let's say I like this one. So if I click on it, so I have some options. What I would do is save it. When I hit save, that's going to be in my quizzes then. So I'm putting in a collection here that should be in my quizzes. Let me come over here. Okay, it's not. It'll show up in my collections. Okay, so this is new. These are the ones that I have made, and these are ones that I have found maybe. Oh, here, I created a little thing for it. So you can see I am just winging this and learning here as I go. So anyway, yeah, that's how you can find a quiz. Also, if you click on the icon here, it'll take you to like quizzes that are recommended for you. So mine have a lot of coding ones since I teach computer science and mathematics stuff. Or you can search by topics, by grade level. It's really kind of nice that way, okay? The other option is to create a quiz. So if I go to create a quiz, all right, and I apologize, my internet is a little slow today. So we can give it a name, and then I can actually select a relevant class. So I'm gonna hit computer science, you could hit other, whatever, select your topic. That way it's organizing it for other people. You can change it to private and public. I always just have them on public. And okay, from here, a couple of things. One, you can add a picture to the beginning of your quiz. So if I do that, click on here again, go to my pictures, and let's go here, let's just pick this. And then that would be the opening picture. I can select what grades it's appropriate for. I think it makes you do this. And who can see it. I always have mine public. I honestly don't know if you have it on private, if you can even play that with anybody else. I just leave it at public and hit save. And once you have that, then you can go ahead and start creating your question. So click create a new question. Here you can type your first question. You don't have to number it. It's already going to be numbered for you. So what color is the sky? And then I could put all my choices. And then here I have the option of selecting. I have to select a correct answer. I could also add a picture for each option. You can do that. You can add media to it. I have seen people adding like a short video. I don't know what this is, so let's click on it and find out. Oh, cool. So you can add a math equation. Oh, that's neat. That's kind of cool. It might be helpful for some of you. But this is all basically I do. I usually keep it very simple. I do often add a picture to it by clicking here, and then I'll click on here again, and I'll just add a picture. I'll try to get a picture that pertains to the question. All right, and then you just click save. You can add extra options if you want. I'm gonna hit save. And then here to add another question, click on this again. Let's do that again. What is my name? And you select the right answer. And up here you can do like single answer or multi-select. So if I do multi-select, then I could click 2 different answers and hit save. Okay, there's really nothing to it. That's pretty much it. I'm trying to think if there's anything else. So once you have this saved, or all your questions in, once you have them all saved or all typed in, you just hit finish quiz, and then you have the option to assign it right away, or you can go to my quizzes and it would be in there. Okay, if you, let's say you need to edit it, you would click on my quizzes, click on test quiz, whatever quiz it is. Here you can duplicate it. So this might be helpful if there are questions in a quiz that you find or you create but you want to delete. So you can like duplicate it, rename, and then delete the questions that you don't want on there. You can share it. You are able to share these with other people in your building. Justin Brown must have made a teacher account. Mr. Miller and I used to share quizzes. Let me try it. What else? Print, delete. You can delete it. But to go back in and change it, you would just click on edit, and then you could go back and add anything to it. But let's say you like this quiz. It's all good. Just a reminder. We gotta do this. We would assign homework, and you can pick a date that you want the people to complete it by. So let's say I wanted to be able to finish it on the 3rd by, let's say, 10 o'clock at night. And you have to do, select the class you want it assigned to. Click next. And that's all I do. Like I don't usually scroll down here. You can if you want to, but then you just hit assign game, and then it will be in there for them. You can also copy and paste a link for them to join. They would go to joinmyquiz.com, and then you could enter this code in there for them. I don't think many of you would want to do this, but you can make your own set of memes. You can click on memes and just click create new meme set. And then you could give it a name, and you have the option to insert pictures. So if I clicked on here, so these would be the memes the kids would see if they got the answer correct. This would be a meme they would see if they get it incorrect. So let me show you an example. If I click the plus, I upload an image. So I want to upload this image, and then it will actually, well, then I gotta click upload, but it'll give me text boxes where I can add text here. That's, something if you would want to do to kind of personalize with your class, with your students. You could hit save, and then, yeah, that's how you create a meme set. But anyway, if you have any questions, if you think there's something that I left out, please send me an email. Thanks.